If the radio, stereo or audio system on your 2004 to 2008 Ford F150 stopped working or has no power, don't replace the head unit just yet. Here is every fuse you need to check first. First, locate your fuse box inside the cabin down on the passenger side kick panel. Just pull off the cover to access the panel. Keep in mind, which fuses your truck uses will depend on its trim level. If you drive an XL or STX trim, check fuse 1, a 10-amp fuse feeding run and accessory power. But if you have any other trim level, check fuse 22, a 10-amp fuse controlling delayed accessory power. If you aren't sure which trim you have, it's best to check both just to be safe. Next, check fuse 31. This is a 20-amp fuse that controls main radio power and the satellite radio module. If your radio completely cuts out or turns off when starting the truck, check fuse 7, a 5-amp fuse controlling the radio start signal. If your truck is equipped with a factory subwoofer and it stopped producing bass, check fuse 38. A 25-amp fuse controlling subwoofer power. And if your truck is equipped with a rear overhead DVD player and it isn't turning on, check fuse 4, a 10-amp fuse feeding battery power to the DVD unit and power fold mirrors. Did one of these fuses fix your radio? Drop a comment down below letting me know which one was blown.